Hey there, Jeffrey here, Sephora Beauty Director.
Hi everyone, I'm David, Sephora Beauty Director as well, and we have a great video for you. It is another holiday gifting guide, but this one's really specific for those last minute gifts that you may need to pick up, and also budget friendly. So everything you see is gonna be $25 or under, which is incredible.
For sure. Now we're definitely in the thick of it. The holiday season is upon us, and if you're like me, you maybe waited till the last minute to get your gifts, so this video is for you. Stay tuned.
So let's jump right in with the first product. This is from Christoph Robin, and this is the Perfect Hair Duo.
Cute.
This is really,
So
really cute. So you get two classic products from him. First is the clarifying, purifying scrub. Now this one became a word of mouth hot ticket item when it first launched because people fell in love. It's got that sea salt in there, that sweet almond oil. It's a great scalp scrub to clarify, purify the scalp so that your hair grows healthier, but also in this day and age with a lot of people styling with products, especially dry shampoos, that can leave a little bit of buildup. This is a great remedy for that to make sure that your scalp retains its health. The same way we do exfoliation on our skin, you need to do that on your scalp. And then you have that great mask. So he has the regenerating mask with that prickly pear seed oil, which is really hydrating and nourishing right from the root of the hair all the way to the tip. So it's a fantastic, it's so cute, little like hair care luxury, like at home, take a day, give your hair a little moment the same way you do your skincare, and a really iconic sort of luxury hair. I would call this luxury
for
hair.
sure. I first heard about this in Beverly Hills.
Right.
Thank you very much.
Right,
Yes.
exactly. It's very
and then
that.
It kind of, actually, it's a European secret that sort of made its way over into the States and then definitely hit the scene over here in Hollywood and people were gagged.
Up. And I think that that's one of the really nice things about the holidays is you can get something like this for under $25, whether for yourself to try these great products out, which listen, I'm all for. I'm all for holiday self-shopping. But also
you want a little scalp scrub for him. Why
I
not?
do. I love this stuff. It's good.
Yeah,
it's very good. It feels great on his scalp. But also to, gift this to somebody who you're like, here, try something a little special for yourself. Take a moment and have a special day. And I want you to have this little bit of luxury for yourself. And I think this is a great under $25 last minute gift to give to somebody. I love this. This is a great gift.
So cute.
Very, very good.
So this next gift is going to be for the lip lover. This is from Pat McGrath Labs, and this is the Mini Lip Fetish Lip Balm Trio. Now, inside is the beautiful, gorgeous Lip Fetish Trio. I have to bust this open.
Oh, bust that open, yes!
And all the confetti. I mean, this is the best gift for anybody because it's like an instant party. I love it.
I can have him.
Yes. So inside, you're going to get minis of her Lip Fetish lip balms, which is awesome. These are like a really beautiful texture. You got a little sparkle. Was that a little add-on? I love it. You're going to get her translucent nude, which is gorgeous. Really buttery, luxurious
I love this.
texture.
This is a great lip balm.
So chic. I'm sorry. Like, if you pull that out of your bag, like, everybody's going to stop and ask you what
it is. Well, the packaging. But also with this, it's great under lipsticks. It doesn't, like, a big thing for me on set is you got to hydrate a lip, but you don't want whatever you use to cause, especially liquid lipsticks, to slide off.
Right.
This one's a great
It's a good
base.
texture.
It's a great
really
base.
Good texture.
Yeah.
And then you're going to get two, like, really beautiful nude brown shades.
Beautiful.
There's this one, which is called Blow Up. And then there's this one here, which is called Flesh 3.
Oh,
so
I
both
love
of
Flesh 3.
Yeah. Okay, you want to try that?
Yeah.
Okay, so these are like a really buildable sheer, again, kind of like that tinted moisturizer vibe for the lips, just kind of evens out the lip tone and drenches them with hydration. So this is a pretty universal gift. I feel like these shades look great on anybody really because they're those true flesh tones.
Yeah, and with double is a really good cream cheek color. Not gonna lie to you. This would be beautiful on lips and cheek.
Love that.
That's beautiful.
Yes, and so as you know, you always have Mama Pat's iconic packaging with the lips on the front.
So cute.
Stunning, and you get that for $25. Like, I mean, I can't.
Great value.
Obsessed.
Okay, so up next is a product we are both really excited about. So this is from Tarte. This is the Chrome for the Holiday set. What a good name, first of all.
So cute.
Chrome for the holidays. So it's 4 of their like chrome metallic eyeshadows. 2 shades that exist already,
Okay.
and then 2 completely new ones.
Okay.
Yeah, I know. I'm popping these out because we're gonna have to swatch these.
It's called Froze.
Froze. I know. This one's had me. This one was the Wild at Heart. I was like looking at this the whole time. I was like, I need to know what this is.
Okay, first off, the first thing I'm noticing is that there's a ton of product in
There's
here.
a lot
So for
of
$25,
product.
this is a lot of gift.
Yeah,
for
this
sure.
is a lot of gift.
Now,
That's
this-
probably gonna go into my kit. I'm not even lying. I was like, I need
This peachy shade. I'm actually gonna take a page off of your book, and I think I'm gonna do it under here too. Look at that. Look at this. So this one I really love. This one's kind of like that peachy pink iridescent shift that's really great for, I feel like, eyes, lips, and
me
cheeks.
see.
I always find myself using this as like a little highlight or like
That could be a
pressing it into
blush,
the lips.
too.
Yeah, oh my god, this is gorgeous.
That's what this one is too. This one could be
Yeah.
a really cool highlighter,
Yeah.
a lip topper.
It's
I
like the
love
gift that
a-
keeps on giving. Thank you, Tarte.
Oh my god. I have to say, Tarte does always bring an incredible
Holiday.
makeup selection during the holidays.
Yeah,
I have a
absolutely.
blush kit from them from holiday like 2 years ago. It's still one of my favorite things ever. Look at that.
This red.
Can you see this? Can you? Oh, it's like burgundy and hot pink together.
Let me see. Oh, my
Oh,
goodness.
it's so
Like
good.
that perfect, like, kind of cherry cordial vibe. I love that. And then here you've got like a really soft bronze.
Oh, that's
shade.
beautiful.
Yeah, this is really, really nice. I'm obsessed. These colors are gorgeous. And I definitely, again, very universal.
Yes.
I think anybody could utilize these shades, again, just for like a pop of color on the lid, or again,
Yeah.
like maybe icing the cheek or the lip. This is beautiful.
And I think that a lot of times what we often get with things like this, where they're really all really dramatic, shimmery tones, people are like, well, how do I use this? Think of these as accessories to your neutral palette. You
Right.
probably have that brown, beiges and black neutral palettes that you use every day. These are accessories. Maybe
Like the jewelry,
It's the
literally,
jewelry
jewelry.
to your little neutral palette,
Wardrobe.
and
Love
you
that.
just add in a color, but you have 4 incredible shades for under $25. This is like, yeah, this will be.
You better get it away from me, sis. You better take that away from me, because that's going in my bag.
Yeah, for real.
Okay, so last up, we'd be remiss not to mention a little bit of fragrance for sure.
Great gift always.
Absolutely. So from Maison Margiela, this is the Replica Mini Duo Crofret. Now this is really great because it's got a mini size of Jazz Club and Beach Walk, which are 2 of their best-selling
Top
fragrances. So you're kind of gifting, again, that little bit of luxury, a way to sort of create a mood for somebody around the holiday season, right? And since they come in this little mini, almost travel size, they're really great for anyone on the go, you know? So you can kind of toss it in your bag. It's TSA friendly. I'm obsessed. Now, Jazz Club has been a favorite of mine for quite some time.
Jazz Club is incredible scent.
Yes,
So is
notes
Beach
of
Walk, though.
whiskey and kind of like tobacco, which is really, really nice. And
God,
Beach Walk,
this one's making me want to go to the beach right this moment.
Yes.
Bye.
Yes, if you're ever jonesing for Southern California, this is where it's at right here. They'll
Yeah.
give you-
And
take
these
you there.
packaging, I have to say, look at how cute that is.
And then I actually
That is
really
chic.
some people have an aversion to the little dabbers, but I'm
like
actually
it.
a fan. I like to like turn it over like this, and there's a little like bubble inside, and you can use that literally to just dot it where it needs to go, which is really, really nice.
Yeah, this little mini packaging is absolutely adorable and chic, and that's a lot of product in there, to be honest.
For
you.
sure.
Yeah.
Now, again, I'd also want to tell you that traditionally coffrets were designed for you to keep one for yourself and gift one to another person. So this one's for you, David.
Well, thank you, Jerry.
Have a great beach walk when you're over in New York.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes,
Where there's
exactly.
no beaches at all.
I love it. I love it.
Oh, that's so sweet. I'm going to take it. Thank you. Well, hopefully you all enjoyed this video. We had a lot of fun bringing you this selection of really affordable, budget-friendly, last-minute gifts that I think work for a lot of different people that may be on your holiday list, right?
And they're fun. You're not gonna compromise quality of a gift. Like, you always want to go and show out and give the best
Yeah.
gift, right?
Yeah.
But for $25, you can definitely do that.
Absolutely. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can get new videos like this from every week.
And if if you're curious about any of the products that we mentioned in this video, be sure to shout that out in the comment section below.
We're always on there listening to you, responding to you all.
Yes, for sure. And until next time, we'll see you later.
Bye.